In this video, I'll show you how to fix Apex Legends when it won't launch from Steam. Let's get it working again. Method 1. Restart your PC and Steam. Close Steam completely. Restart your PC. Open Steam and try launching Apex Legends again. Method 3. Run Steam as administrator. Close Steam. Right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as administrator. Launch Apex Legends from Steam. Method 4. Update graphics drivers. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers. Restart your PC and try launching the game again. Method 5. Disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. Sometimes security software blocks Apex Legends. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try launching the game. Don't forget to enable them afterward. Method 6. Reinstall Apex Legends. If nothing else works, uninstall Apex Legends from Steam. Reinstall it and try launching again. Thanks for watching. If this fixed your Apex Legends issue, hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming fixes.